Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 pipe crimping tool. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Pipe Crimping Tool. The cordless mini press tool combo kit is a compact and efficient hydraulic crimping solution for copper and PEX pipes. Its electric press mechanism delivers consistent, secure connections with minimal effort, making it great for quick installations and repairs. The ProPress jaw provides reliable performance, and the cordless design adds convenience in tighter remote workspaces. Build quality feels solid, battery life is decent, and operation is smooth. A practical, time-saving tool for D users and professionals alike. Number 4. Pipe Crimping Tool. The Zupper MP1930 mechanical system battery press tool is a dependable choice for copper PEX and multi-layer pipe crimping. Its battery-powered mechanism delivers strong, consistent pressure, making installations faster and more reliable. The tool feels sturdy, well-balanced, and comfortable to operate even during longer tasks. Optional interchangeable heads add versatility for different pipe sizes. Overall, it's a solid, efficient press tool, suitable for both professional plumbers and serious D users looking for dependable performance and clean, secure crimps. Number 3. Pipe Crimping Tool. The S300-S400 electric pipe crimping pliers are powerful and efficient tools designed for professional plumbing and electrical work. Their rechargeable hydraulic system delivers strong, consistent pressure for precise pipe crimping and clean cuts. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, while the portable build makes them convenient for on-site jobs. With durable materials and reliable performance, these hydraulic shears offer excellent value for commercial users who need speed, accuracy, and dependable operation on copper PEX and multi-layer pipe systems. Number 2. Pipe Crimping Tool. The Zupper PZ3240 battery press tool is a powerful and convenient solution for plumbing professionals working with copper PEX and multi-layer pipes. Its upgraded design offers smoother, faster crimping with strong, consistent pressure. The rechargeable battery provides reliable runtime, while the option for separate jaws adds great versatility for different pipe sizes. The tool feels sturdy, well-balanced, and easy to handle, making long jobs less tiring. A solid, efficient press tool that delivers dependable performance on every project. Number 1. Pipe Crimping Tool. The PZ3240GE1550 hydraulic battery copper pipe pressing tool is a reliable and efficient choice for plumbing professionals. Its strong hydraulic power and cordless battery design make crimping copper and PEX pipes quick and effortless. The press jaws deliver consistent, leak-free connections, while the ergonomic build reduces fatigue during long jobs. With durable construction and smooth operation, it's a great tool for both residential and commercial plumbing work. A solid investment for anyone needing dependable pipe crimping performance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.